I didn't know it was a video. So this is the desk. It all came in together. I put a lot of stuff to hold everything, and it works. It's very sturdy. It don't really move. The drawers and everything works once you set it up correctly. It was very easy to assemble. It came with all the pieces. There were still extra, so that's kind of good to know. So if you ever run out, actually I didn't know that there was these, but I just found out now. No, I didn't put any spacers, and it's still very sturdy. Just remember when you guys are setting it up, there's holes in the back of these legs. Those go to the back. Don't put them to the front where the, well, you'll see. You'll see what the front is once you put in your drawer. But yeah, once you get that, it's very easy. It's all easy to set up. Every piece came together and it worked out great. And I love it. Voila. I'm just kidding.
Hey guys, that's my part. Well, this is the finished product. It was pretty easy. I put together it within 2 hours times, and it's pretty sturdy. Here's my keyboard case, my keyboard tray, my laptop, getting ready to just surf the net a little bit. But thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching Miss K.